I'm small and hard, and olds love me. What am I?
Small and hard and what?
Olds love me.
I go there a little cocky youth, I don't know.
What go on, peeps? They don't know your boy JNL back at it again with the next episode of the questions. And watching today we're in a crossroad. But watching this video was sponsored by Jamaica Express Shipping, where they make shipping a vibe. You get to me and say, oh, they make shipping a vibe. Watching I can provide further more details down in the video. You get to me and say, come I don't want to know. We don't want to take too long for me to get some laughter. You get to me and say, so watching season 5, episode 4. You don't know a crossroad with the people. Yeah, you don't know a thing set in. Yeah. So the first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
I am Princess the Herbalist in Crossroad Market. Do all the herb stuff, medicine, roots, everything.
So what you have in your hand right now?
Alright, I have this back into the right hand now. It's a herbal infection medicine. Like for pain relief, cancer. This one now, this name, Get Up, Stand Up. Nobody don't really know about that one here. But are the best thing on the land.
So when I say get up, stand up, what that exactly like?
For man who cannot have erection, and it build up them sperm count, they build them up.
Yeah, my general say if you don't have no erection, you see me, this is the direction if you go. I say first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
Akeem.
Akeem?
Yeah.
Sound like a wrong name you give me some.
No man, a right name but it just so suddenly you see it.
Hi, my name is Lavi.
You sure say the right name because you give me a pause right this a while again.
Yeah, that's my name, Lavi.
Yeah. Dead.
Man say it's currency.
Yeah.
You know?
Cooler one. What you say, artist?
Fully.
Give them something, man.
Alright. Rise early. Something past 4, so I beat off the split for me do it. Yeah man, a bag of sitting man.
Abby. Dija. Daniel.
Sham. Yeah.
You know a DJ Zaggy?
DJ Zaki.
Yeah.
So what you can't spit two lyrics for you and thing?
No, I don't mean like DJ and the literate says selector DJ Zaggy, you see me?
My name is Gabby.
Yeah, Rasta, watch out, people them don't know you already, So watch out, I still want you introduce yourself.
Yeah, I want to tell you, sir. Big up Jane. Welcome back to the market, my friend. You don't know some me Sasharas. Oh, so badly. So you don't know some me are going to one place still.
Yeah, man,
you know, sir, not my fans.
Right, go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Once Rasta say holy bag in there, you know I'll go down in there, man.
Alright, we are going to dance, man, with you. And we not going to dance with them.
Good fear, naturalist in our element of surprise, Anything that will have to rise, when you give them a surprise, open your eyes,
Yeah, so we say having in the
man,
thing.
we have all the strong up and we have the blend up. Right now, too much relationship and mash up. Baby, come take up your one. Later, you give him fame one. And I like your flesh will come off of your bone. Anyway, when you're concerned, we make me leave it alone. We go on general, you don't tag the one and bag it when you reach home, your mum can have it. Right, me I ride off. Who have the money I either?
But just go on like one piece of bunks. You see me I do it. So Journey, catch the bunks. You see me I do it. Jeff. Catch the bunks. Journey.
Yeah, dead. Catch it. Dead.
Aliyah. Brit.
Yeah, my name is Answer,
Answer?
Yeah.
So what think the Gretel then?
Where's it?
We're Gretel.
Gretel?
Yeah.
Give me the meaning that's Gretel.
Wait, you don't know about Gretel?
No.
Alright. Ooh, you. Ucha. Ay. Oi. Ina. Ay. Ooh. E. Ay. Woo. Ay. Ooh. Yeah. Hey. Dead. I'll go on my boss. Dead. Yeah. What can you use your empty hands to full?
Prayers.
What can I use the empty hands to full? Come on, no, I say so. No, I say nothing that sound foolish,
Oh, if my hands are empty, then they won't be able to fool anything.
Yes, but wait. Go again with that one day.
What can you use your
I'm a
empty
red
hands to
line
full?
now. Yeah. Empty hands to full. What can I use my empty hands to full? My pocket. For my pockets.
Empty hands to full of pocket?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that can't work.
Pocket. Your pocket. Your pocket.
What you say?
Your hand, yeah, your pocket empty. Put your hand in it, it's full. Yeah.
Your pocket. Your pocket. Pocket. Yeah. Empty hand full of pocket. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And I can use the empty hands to full. Full is safe for money. You see me? You know, we out here house, so from where them empty, we up on the gram, I go and try fully up, you see me? Full up is safe for money.
You say the safe?
Yeah. You understand?
What can you use your empty hands to full?
Gloves, gloves.
Gloves?
Gloves, yeah.
You are right, man. Cool, man. Pick up my general. Hey, man, nobody like it one day. What can you use your empty hands to full?
Well, I can use my empty hand to full all my pocket. You see, I use my empty hand to fill my pocket, and that is it.
Yeah.
That is it. You see me, I do
You
it.
get that one right, man. Big up yourself,
That
man,
is
Rasta.
it.
You don't know
You
what
see
things
me,
say. Rasta, big up the people them see you. Man.
Yeah, man, Journey, I want to keep it up and big up on yourself. And this is Journey coming show. Remember, I'm telling you, I'm me and Sasha us.
Yeah.
And the fans love us. You see, someone wanting to keep on watch the view and keep your eyes open. As well, Journey say, what don't have no mouth, but always answer the mirror. So me a daily line and the mirror with that. To the jiff, to the street. Sasha us, up to the top. All right, my boss.
Next one, right? Yeah. What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
The Bible.
What has no mouth and always tell the truth?
Your art?
Art? You want me to get the answer? Answer mirror.
Not good.
No more. Can always tell the truth. No more. God no. But there's no more than always tell the truth. No more than always tell the truth. Figure like a God no.
You say no one either. What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
No mouths, always tell the truth. Your mind.
What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
Alright, here I know. There are some questions that rectorial them answer themselves.
What has no mouth? What has no mouth? No man, I wonder half me.
You don't know that one?
No more. Who come sign up for this one? No sign. No more.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Bird.
You say?
The Bible doesn't lie and it doesn't have a mouth. So
The Bible?
What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
Lie detector. Lie detector.
What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
Well, what has more mouth and always tell the truth for me? For me, I don't see the sense in that still. But if I try to figure out, seeing for me still, come on the show, I don't want to give no full talk to this little answers.
The truth.
Come again.
What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
Have the mouth,
Have no mouth. It not a mouth but it always tell the truth.
it have no mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, to me, it's a monkey.
Right, boss. What has no mouth but always tell the truth?
What has no mouth to always tell the truth? Lord, that one is serious. What has no mouth and always tell the truth? I'm not sure about that one day. Never lie. Never lie. I just say one sitting in the car, never lie.
What do you mean?
Friday they tell the truth, I never lie. Because you don't stuck, so you know you go. One dunce man, UTC, DJ.
Cool one, alright, bro. I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I?
That sounds like a question, it's a smutty question or what? Yeah, if it's smutty, make me know.
I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I?
Oh. Wait. Man.
Man?
Yes.
Small and hard and old, so. Yo, God knows that. Hold on, skip that one, the next one.
Alls, what goes in alls? Key.
I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I?
Repeat that one, the general. How you do?
I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I?
Well, I would say a penis. Correct?
It's a penis.
A penis.
So how you get that?
Well, because, you know, I have to get on, where they call it, an erection, you know, to get big. You know what I'm saying? Currently.
So you say penis?
Penis.
I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I?
Golf ball, but it's small and hard.
Ball. Golf ball. Yeah, no, minute.
Straw, me no know. Straw?
Me no. No.
You say one answer?
Neil.
I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I? I'm small and hard, and holes love me. What am I? Hole. Holes.
Me, I don't know my mouth, I never go say some more.
I'm small and hard, you know.
Yeah.
And hole love me. What am I?
You're tough.
Eh?
More understand real. Understand.
I'm small and me hard. Yeah, and hole love me.
All of you?
Hole.
All?
Yeah.
All mean as all people?
No man, hole like hole. Like a hole. Like a hole.
All. Give me the real meaning.
Hole like a hole, man.
All?
Hole like a hole.
Bird?
Like a hole. Yeah man, like a hole.
Alright.
I'm small and hard, and hole love me. What am I?
Small and hard and all love me.
Yeah.
Or up on the road.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Or we sell our body on the road.
No, man, old. Like a old?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you say it old, yeah?
No, man, I'm small and hard, you know, and old love me. What am I?
What am I?
Yeah.
I'm a rich person.
What the f? I'm small and hard, you know, and olds love me. What am I?
It's a penis.
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
Yeah.
Where you get that now?
Well,
how far
cause who love vagina love penis, you know. So, you know?
Yeah.
And to forget hard.
Forget.
You know, for going on the wall. And then the wall love it when it's hard.
Yeah.
So I guess when it's hard and she feel it, it feel good.
Yeah,
so that's why.
So the answer?
Yeah.
What the answer?
Penis.
Penis.
Yes.
I'm small and hard, and olds love me. What am I?
Small and hard and what?
Olds love me.
I go there a little cocky youth, I don't know.
God have mercy upon us.
A little.
I go there a little cocky youth, or you see me? So I'm not too sure, but small and old of you. You know, some man more, you see me?
Yeah.
Regular day, you see me? Yeah.
So you see one of them little cute there?
Yeah, good little old man.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of the questions you don't know, see a crossroad with it. You get what I say. So this video was sponsored by Jamaica Express Shipping. I remember them ship 3 times a week. Information right up on the screen. You get what I say. So I'll follow them on all social medias and stuff like that. Give them the love and support. You understand? Remember, you know, them ship 3 times a week. Most shipping companies ship 2 times a week. So if you get 3 times, why not take the 3 times? So big up Jamaica Express for sponsoring this video. You don't know your boy JNL. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click the like button, and we're out. Welcome peeps, the boy JNL again, is me. A few of you guys know say the time will disappear, you know, if you are 1 year from YouTube, is me that do producing artists, stuff like that, is me beat making and stuff like that. Well, I produced a song recently with my brother, it's my little brother, which is Kash, Promise Move. Song dropped yesterday, which was Friday, and today is Saturday. You understand? So more you guys will go over there, is me show me love and support. And the song of explicit, so if you're not the explicit type of person, you understand? Me just a give caution, is me. So I will provide the link in the description and also in the comments, so you can go over there and so you can click the link, is me, and go view the song. The song named Miss Grippy, so you don't know if you are the Miss Grippy, is me, the song of Uno. As I say, song link in the description and in the comments also. You get to myself, go over there and make it know say what JNL saying, is me, and just leave your honest opinion on the song. You get me? So thank you guys for watching again. You don't know your boy JNL, and I'm out.